Kami po ay taga-Unitel, Straight Shooters Unitel Stories. At nandito rin po si Direk Pepe. So, nice ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo ngayong umaga. At this is a very intimate screening. And alam niyo naman po, napakahirap na gumawa ng isang pelikula sa panahon ngayon, lalo na sa MMFF. At kami ang natatanging musical among the 10 entries. It's a musical drama. And I hope that you will appreciate our film. This is a labor of love, a labor of hard work, dedication, commitment to ensure that the 1982 Himala and to the other reimaginations of the film, the musical, the other musicals will come to life in this film adaptation. Sana po unahin niyo yung isang himala na panoorin amongst the 10 entries. At kailangan po namin ng tulong ninyo dahil alam niyo naman ang MMFF usually yan naghahanap talaga ng malalaking artista at yung usual tropes na napapanood natin. But we are giving the audience a very fresh take on a classic film of 3 national artists, si Direk Ishma, si Miss Nora Honor, and of course, our national artist as well for broadcast and film, Sir Ricky Lee. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce to you last year's Best Director and our director for Isang Himala, Pepe Diokno.
Hello everyone, good morning, and sorry again, delayed on screening, but thank you so much for making time to come here and watch our film. You are the first people to really see this before our premiere, so maraming salamat. We're very excited to show this to you. It really is a tribute, as Manok said, to the 1982 film, which was made by 3 national artists, Ishmael Bernal, Sir Ricky Lee, and Ms. Nora Honor, which was part of the 1982 Metro Manila Film Festival. So it's very, such an honor for us to be part of the 50th MMFF. Sir Ricky, while it's a tribute, when we started the project, Sir Ricky really challenged us to own this version and to be both faithful and unfaithful to the original film. So I hope you enjoy, and I will be here after the screening. I think some members of the cast also will be here. So very excited to share this experience with you. Maraming salamat.
Direk Pepe, nandun ba? Ayan, at si Direk Pepe.
Song ni JK.
Ay, tapos gusto lang namin, hindi kasi narinig na. Yung pakitugtog lang yung song ni, yung music. Yung sa ending, ang music po ay in-interpret ni JK Labajo. Yung ang himala ay nasa puso. So siya yung nasa credits. Pinatay lang nila yung music kasi in-introduce natin yung cast. I want to say a few words.
Yes po. Good afternoon everyone. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo ngayong araw na to at sa pagnood ng aming pelikula, Isang Himala. Mauna na ako kasi si Naomi, naiyak pa. Hindi pa po namin napapanood ang pelikula. Ay sige po, bago po yun, paparinig po namin muna ang kanta. Beautiful rendition, sobrang iba sa kung anong naririnig natin or narinig natin kanina. And I don't know if it has been shared, but in a few weeks, lalabas rin yung mga kanta via Spotify for our audiences, so and also for everyone. Para talagang this will really support the love for the movie musical na napanood po natin. Honestly, earlier, you can see so many names ng lahat ng cast. That is just proof of how the theater community also came together to really support this historic film. Sa totoo lang, it's the movie and the theater industry coming together to give birth and support this artistically. Kaya maraming salamat po. We hope that you can also join us in making history, really. The first musical in the Philippines na this is also sung live. So it's really just remarkable at maraming salamat po.
It's the
Actually, hindi pa po namin napapanood tong film. So when we came in kanina and I saw it in the big screen, grabe.
Ganun ako, para hindi.
I mean, oo. Yun nga po. Wala akong masasabi pero mabuhay ang teatrong Pilipino, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Salamat po.
Again, thank you so much, our friends, the exhibitors, friends from the media, the press, and from the academy. Thank you for coming. We would really like to ask for your support and help, of course, sa MMFF in helping spread the word about Isang Himala. So maraming salamat.
Thank you. Malapit na.
Meron kasi
Yung dulo.
register eh.
Sa mata ng ibang tao, pagsikat ng araw at buwan, isang himala. Bawat araw, bawat buwan, isang